are nucleic acids? Nucleic acids are named because they were first discovered in the nuclei of cells. Nucleic acids are huge organic molecules that contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. A nucleic acid is a chain of repeating monomers called nucleotides. Each nucleotide consists of three parts. One is nitrogenous base, second part is pentose sugar, and third is phosphate group. Nucleic acids are of two varieties. The first is deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA, which forms the inherited genetic material inside each human cell. In humans, each gene is a segment of a DNA molecule. Our genes determine the traits we inherit, and by controlling protein synthesis, genes regulate most of the activities that take part in body cells throughout our lives. When a cell divides, its hereditary information passes on to the next generation of cells. RNA or ribonucleic acid is the second type of nucleic acid, which relays instructions from the genes to guide each cell's synthesis of proteins from amino acids. Here I am sharing this video link. This video is explaining what are organic molecules, that is, molecules of life. It is briefly explaining four major groups of organic molecules, including lipids, proteins, carbohydrates, and nucleic acids. So, watch this video for better understanding. Adenosine triphosphate or ATP is the energy currency of living systems. It transfers the energy liberated in catabolic reactions to power cellular activities that require energy. These cellular activities include muscular contractions, movement of chromosomes during cell division, movement of structures within cells, etc. As the name implies, ATP consists of three phosphate groups that are attached to adenosine, a unit composed of adenine, and the 5-carbon sugar ribose.